Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jill here with That Homeschool Life. And today's video is a collaboration hosted by Yasmin at Mommy on the Move. And this collaboration is all about the Good and the Beautiful science units. And so each person on the playlist in my description is gonna be doing a different science unit. We are doing the human body. We are so excited to be doing this. My kids have been really excited and anxiously awaiting. We have done one lesson already. We are going to be doing lesson 2 today. So it's a do a lesson with me type video. I'm also going to give you a flip through of the whole unit. And I'm also going to show you the different resources that we're going to be using during this whole unit study. But today's lesson is all about the skeletal system. So that's what we're going to be learning today. And I printed out a fun little activity for the kids. And then there's also a science experiment that is in the lesson. And so we're going to do that. So anyway, stick around to see everything we get into in this video. All right, guys, feel along your arms. Feel your arms, Aubrey. Aubrey, feel in your arm.
I can feel my bone.
Do you feel something hard in there?
Yeah.
What is that, Aubrey?
My armpit.
Your armpit? What's the hard thing in here? Is it bones?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have bones in our body. What about the inside of your legs? Do you feel a bone in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you feel a bone in your knee?
Yeah.
Feel it. Feel your bone.
Bones have ball bones. And big bones. Joints.
Yeah. Imagine if we didn't have bones and we were trying to stand up and walk.
We couldn't because we would be like this.
Do the boneless dance.
Boneless. This is boneless. Boneless. I know this. That's not right.
So right now, the kids are looking at these pages right here. They show the individual bones, and we will be labeling this page. Aubrey is coloring a page that I actually just printed off the internet. I just Googled skeletal system printables and chose one. So the kids are gonna color these and then they're gonna cut it out and put it together as a skeleton. I might need to buy some brads before we can actually put it together, but we're gonna get it colored today. So now it's time to go over a vocabulary word, and today's vocabulary word is bones. All right, Briella, go ahead and read our vocabulary word.
The strong
Wait, what's the word?
bones. The strong, hard
Let me see.
and from a skeleton.
And form a skeleton. Good.
From a skeleton.
Good job.
Is it purple Play-doh?
Yep. You're gonna make a human body, okay?
Mama, I don't know how to
Make a head.
make a head.
Roll it into a ball for a head.
Put it into
Nice.
a bowl.
Okay, so there's your head. Make 2 arms with that, or legs.
I'm just making a actually.
No, we're making a human body. All right. So can it stand up? No, it can't. Do you know why?
Because it's Play-doh.
No.
Because it doesn't have bones.
Does it have bones?
No, that's why it's so squishy.
Yeah, squishy bodies can't stand up.
Or can I just do it for fun while the others?
You can just play with it for a little while. Aubrey, try to stand it up.
Mama, and stick on the table.
Ah! He fell apart. And why do you think he fell apart, Aubrey? Look at me.
Because he doesn't have bones.
Good job. Briella, does yours fall?
Whoops.
He can't stand up because there's no bones.
Yep. Oh no.
He doesn't have bones.
Oh, he stands.
And then if someone pushes him, he can't support himself. You're gonna use crayons and you're gonna wrap the Play-Doh around the crayons, so the Play-Doh will be the body and the crayons will be the bones inside the body. And then we'll see if your man can stand up, okay?
If someone pushes him.
So we're gonna give your Play-Doh bodies a skeleton. All right, so look, now that he has bones, one in his back and his legs, he can actually stand up straight. See, his body doesn't fall over? Because he has bones in there to support his body.
Okay, stop touching him.
All right?
Oh gosh.
Okay, so now the next part of our lesson, I'm going to be reading about each bone. There's an answer key right there. But I'm gonna be reading about each bone, and they're going to be filling in their chart to put what goes where as I'm reading. That's looking so good, Aubrey.
Brown and this one and this one.
Yeah. Show me where you have joints.
Your hips. Your
Hips.
Your hips, your wrists, your elbows, your shoulders, and your neck, and your knees, and your ankles.
Yeah, and what is a joint? Where two
bones go and make it so they can move like two bones.
Good.
Meet. And then,
All right, Cade, read cartilage.
Okay, cartilage. The flexible,
Connective.
connective tissue found in various parts of your body. It often acts as a cushion between two meeting bones, and it is also found at the
Place.
The place
Where
where
separate.
bones
Good.
meet and
Connect.
And
Connect.
connect.
Good job. Okay, Briella, ligament.
ligament, strong and
Bend.
bendable
Tissue.
tissue that attaches
Connecting.
bones.
Good job. All right, so we are going to be making our own spines right now. So each child is gonna make their spine, and we got supplies for that. We got them all at the Dollar Tree, and
Some at Walmart.
oh yeah, we had to get one thing at Walmart. But anyway, so we are going to make our spines, and I will show you guys that in a minute. But really quick, all right. So in the beginning of the lesson, we went over bones and all of the reasons we have a skeleton, why we need a skeleton. We worked on our bones vocabulary word, and then we talked about each part of the skeleton, and the kids labeled their own papers while I read where each part goes. Then they were able to figure out which one I was talking about and label it. And then we talked about joints, ligaments, and cartilage. So we talked all about that, and we went over those vocabulary words. And then it has all about, it talks about the spine. So we learned that the spine protects the spinal cord and what makes it and everything. And so now we are going to make our own spines. Here's a picture of what we're gonna be doing. And the instructions are pretty easy to follow. And so we're going to make our spines.
Oh, this one doesn't have a hole.
So now put a gummy on it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do
Then
you
put
know
another one
how
of these.
much I love you?
Keep
You put my
alternating it like
favorite
that.
song on. I
You need
put
help,
my
Aubrey?
feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever,
Good job.
forever.
So what are we making, Stella? What is this?
A spiral.
Spine. Good, we're making our spine. These are representing the vertebrae. And what's the yarn, guys?
The spinal cord. The spinal cord. The spinal cord. And look it, it's done.
Good job.
Look it can flex.
All right, guys, what's the best part of this lesson?
Eating our candy.
Eating our gummy worms.
Worms, they're lifesavers.
Sorry. Are you guys eating your spines?
Yeah.
Ah!
I'm going to. I'm breaking mine apart.
You're breaking your spine apart?
I don't care if I have to go to the doctor's. I'm gonna eat candy.
Aubrey, you did such a good job on your spine.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, Aubrey. Are you proud of yourself?
She's not proud of herself. She just wants to eat candy.
And so this is another fun resource that I got for the science unit. It is this human body puzzle. So this is a puzzle and it has a book. I got this from Usborne, and you guys, I still have an Usborne party open, so if anybody wants to order from Usborne, just let me know. But yeah, so this is gonna be super fun. I think we're gonna do this today, and this is a surprise. My kids don't know I bought this yet. It's this squishy body. But what else I got
I saw a skeleton.
is this squishy, sit down, this squishy human body.
Can I play with it first?
So let me show you guys.
Can I play with it second?
We just unboxed our squishy human body. I need the scissors.
I'm gonna get them.
So it comes with this book, this squishy human body book. It looks pretty cool. It has real pictures in it too. It has like a heart, a real picture of a heart. These are vocal cords opening and shutting, like real pictures of vocal cords, which is where your voice comes out. It has this organizer chart. So when you take the pieces out, you can stick it on, and it has labels, like it has what they're called. So that helps with like remembering what the different parts are called. And it has this little,
Take them apart. Stand, I think.
it has this little surgical tray, like some little tweezers and some little surgical scissor things.
Oh my goodness. Look how strong he is.
That was too creepy. Look, it has his ribs.
Wait, I'm gonna
Ew, his intestine. Careful with these guys.
Can I have the squishies?
Here's all his organs.
I'm having
These are, ooh, the heart. Oh my.
So look at
Aubrey, look at the heart.
what that is. Yeah. Those. So look at Stella.
Make sure you guys don't rip these.
Ribs, Stella.
No, those are not ribs. These are not bones.
I mean these
Lungs.
and
Watch out.
this. kidneys.
Oh my.
Liver. So we're going to grab the liver.
So this must be the colon.
What?
This is where the poop comes out.
So you see it's food. And I think this goes here.
So they're gonna get the puzzle put together, right guys?
Yeah.
Mama's gonna help in a minute. And these two are over here playing with the body parts. Good job. That's pretty cool. I like how it tells you a lot in this little puzzle. Like you eat something, nom nom nom, and it goes down and it turns into poopy and then it comes out. And it smells like strawberries, look. Just kidding. This is all the parts of the brain. There's moving. Here's all the blood vessels that go through our body.
Veins.
Yep. So this is a really cool puzzle.
I'm gonna put it away.
All right, put it away.
No, I'm doing it.
And blah, blah, blah.
Now can I
Making blah, blah, blah.